What is up, guys? I got a 1967 Ford Mustang Coupe for sale. It's got the 289 V8 automatic transmission. It runs and drives really good. I got this from one of my clients in Jersey. He redid the motor. Got it running and driving really well. I was told it has a full rebuild on it. Got the interior cleaned up pretty good. And then he got ready to start on the body and became ill and stopped. Sold it to us. I've had the car a few months sitting, getting ready to get it in our shop. But I've also had issues with my mechanic. And I am down staff. Don't have enough help to get this one done. If I don't sell it in the next few weeks, then I will have no choice but to keep it and to make it a show car. It's got great bones. The drivetrain is excellent in it. It's got new tires on it. The interior is clean. It does need a little bit of rust repair, which I will take through with you and show you what's going on with it. We'll first start off with the inside. It's finished in this beautiful blue color. Seats are in great shape. Door panels need to be painted. Needs to be wiped down, cleaned. Carpet's average. Dash pad's in good shape. Showing 14,000 miles on it. Can almost guarantee that's not original. Do got some paperwork in here. But as you can see, this motor's been done right. It runs really, really good. You look at the frame, front frame rails, those are clean. No rot, no rust on those. They typically rot. It is a C code 289 4-barrel. I'm sorry, 289 2-barrel, but looks like a new carb on it. 2-barrel. This needs to be fixed on that. Start it up in a few minutes. I'll show you the body. The paint's in pretty good shape, except for the one side. You got a couple bubble spots there. The biggest thing is going to be paint chipped here. It's not through or anything. This is rock solid, but down here you got a big hole here. Unfortunately, water got into it. The side, it's got little holes starting. Back here. We got this here. If you got a good body guy or know what you're doing, get this body going and get this thing painted. We got a nice Mustang here. See if we can open up this trunk. It's like new gas tank. Yeah. Quarters need sheet metal. The rest of the trunk looks pretty solid. Undercarriage needs help. Floorboard on the one side. Front is good, but the rear is not. As you can see, needs to be replaced. The frame is in decent shape. Torque box. I'll show you the other side. A little bit here starting. We show you everything. I want to make sure you guys know what you're getting. This is a solid daily driver. It's a nice V8. The motor's had a bunch of work done to it. This you're getting a good driver, but it does need body work to finish it off. The interior I would leave alone. We'll go ahead and start it up for you. You don't want to start. Let's try that again. For like 2 months. It needs to be driven. This needs to be on better, but up for sale now, guys. This is a project. It's a good solid daily driver. Give us a call, 215-805-3100. We ship worldwide in the US.